Hey everyone, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler. If you're tracking things like scores, results, or entries in Google Sheets, but you don't want to give everyone access to edit your sheet, this is exactly what you need. Today I'll show you how to create a Google form directly from your sheet, so other people can submit data safely. And it automatically feeds into your spreadsheet. Let's do it. First, we need to create a form from your sheet. Open your Google Sheet, then go to Tools, Create a Form. Google will instantly generate a brand new form, and your spreadsheet will automatically get a new tab for responses. You'll see a new sheet appear called something like Form Responses 1. That's where all submitted data will go. Now let's customize your form. Now switch over to the form that just opened. Start editing the questions. For example, you might add name, email, score. Click into each question to rename it. If you need specific data types, like making sure a score is a number, click the three dots on the question and choose Response Validation. You can set rules like must be a number, must be greater than 0. That way, nobody can enter invalid data. Now watch it sync automatically. Go back to your spreadsheet. You'll notice the column headers update automatically to match your form questions. Every time someone submits the form, their response appears instantly in the Responses sheet. You can even rename that tab to something cleaner, like Scores or Game Entries. Just double-click the tab name and edit it. You want to preview and test the form. In the form editor, click the preview icon, the eye symbol. Fill it out like a real user would. Submit. Now check your sheet. The data is already there. No sharing required. No manual copying. Optional. Remove. Submit another response. If you don't want users submitting multiple entries, go to Settings, Responses. Turn on. Limit to one response. Now they can only submit once. Important. External access settings. If you're using a Google Workspace account, your form may automatically restrict responses to people inside your organization. If you want anyone to be able to submit, go to Settings. Turn off the restriction option. That allows public access. Extra tip. By default, response data may appear formatted as a table. If you prefer the older simple format, click the drop-down arrow next to the Responses sheet tab. Choose. Revert to unformatted data. Totally optional, just a style preference. And that's how you create a Google form directly from Google Sheets. So people can submit data without editing your file. Super simple. Super powerful. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more sheet tips from Sheet Leveler.